Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation 169 power x minus 143 power x equals to 121 power x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's go ahead and manipulate this equation by dividing across the board by 121 power x. I'm going to divide this one by 121 power x and this one by 121 power x as well. Then our left hand side is going to become 169 divided by 121 whole power x minus this could be written as the next term is 143 divided by 121 whole power x equals to, on the right hand side, this reduces to simply 1. And now let's focus on this one, 169 divided by 121. And here I have copied it down, and as we can see, 169 is same as 13 square. Likewise, 121 is same as 11 square. So therefore, we can write this whole thing as 13 divided by 11 whole square. Therefore, this first term, I'm going to replace it by 13 divided by 11 whole square and then whole power x minus. Now let's focus on this one, 143 divided by 121. And here I have copied it down, and we know that 143 could be broken down to 13 times 11, and likewise 121 could be written as 11 times 11. And now we can see that we can cancel out 11 with this one, so we ended up with 13 divided by 11. So therefore I'm going to replace this second term by this 13 divided by 11 whole power x equals to 1 on the right hand side. And now let's recall this power rule. We are going to apply on this very first term. So this could be written as 13 divided by 11 whole power x and then whole square minus, everything is same, 13 divided by 11 whole power x equals to 1. And now we can see this 13 divided by 11 whole power x and this one, they are in common. To make our job easier, let me go ahead and make a substitution. Let me go ahead and call this u equals to 13 divided by 11 whole power x. Then this equation is going to become u square minus u equals to 1. Let's move this 1 on the left hand side. So we are going to have u square minus u minus 1 equal to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it by using the quadratic formula. And here's our quadratic formula. And here our coefficients a equal to 1, b equals to -1, and c equals to -1 as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this quadratic formula. So u equals to negative and b is -1 plus r minus the square root of b in our case is -1 whole square minus 4 times a is 1, c is -1 divided by 2 times a is 1. Let's go ahead and simplify it furthermore. So u equal to, this is going to become 1 positive or negative inside this square root. This is going to give us simply 1, and then this is plus 4. Everything is divided by 2. So u is going to become simply 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now let's go ahead and split these two signs, positive and negative. So therefore we're going to have two values of u equals to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the other value of u is going to be 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now let's take care of this second equation first, and we know that u equals to 13 divided by 11 whole power x. Let's go ahead and equate that one. So that means 13 divided by 11 whole power x equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And we know this whole thing on the right hand side is less than 0. That means this is a negative number. We know that this exponential function cannot be a negative, so this is impossible. So therefore we are going to reject this scenario. Now let's take care of this first equation. We know u equal to 13 divided by 11 whole power x. Let's go ahead and equate them. So our 13 divided by 11 whole power x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And here I have copied down this equation over here, and we are going to solve for x. So let me go ahead and take a log on both sides. I'm going to take log with the base 13 divided by 11, and likewise log with the base 13 divided by 11 on the right hand side as well. And now let's recall this power rule. According to this rule, I can move this exponent all the way to the very front. So our left hand side is going to become x times log of 13 divided by 11 with the base 13 divided by 11 equals to, and our right hand side is going to stay same. And now let's recall this basic rule. When we have this argument and base, they are same, then this whole thing is equal to 1. So therefore the left hand side is going to become x this times 1 equal to, once again same thing on the right hand side. Now in this next step, x times 1 is same as x. And now let's recall this change of base rule we are going to apply on the right hand side of this equation. Therefore the right hand side is going to become x equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Everything is divided by log of 13 divided by 11, and that turns out to be our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 divided by log of 13 divided by 11, or it could also be written as x is approximately equal to 2.88057. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.